We've got 6 minutes to get up that road and
I'm
to
gonna get banned from this server.
just charge in with 4 trucks and see what happens.
Is there a way to rename the squad?
To
'Cause I
useless.
think the truck needs to be part of the squad now.
Well, isn't that the phonetic of a T squad?
Wait. Hey, you're cheating. Stop. We gotta line
Stop
up.
cheating.
Can't believe I went for a childbirthing shit experience and I'm still.
Wait. Stop, wait. We're not started the race.
Wait, come back. Come back.
Yeah, we haven't started the race. Oh god.
Ah!
It's as
Right,
if this
let's
game
go.
wasn't designed for racing. Wait, are we going now? We started the race.
Thing is, my fucking wing
Oh,
mirrors doesn't work.
fine. Yeah.
Oh wait, that's not very fair.
I guess we started.
Casino Hotel. Wow, what a place.
So I'll get him off this road.
Remember, I have a bazooka. I can blow your tanks up if I want to.
Oh god.
I wonder what happens if
We're
I
racing.
go to a landmine. Do you blow up as well?
Probably. Let's race to the place we're capping.
If we even get there, I might come across a tiger or something.
Oh.
You know what?
Crafty, I don't think
imagine-
that's meant for off-roading.
Uh-oh.
I can't imagine what all the other squad leaders and people are thinking of our.
Oh, Valiant.
Oh shit! A Belgium gate.
Crafty, just because you're a little off-roading adventure, you're now fourth.
No.
Boys, there's a Belgium gate.
No. You guys
Oh
are
no, not the gate!
There's a Belgium
Off-roading!
You guys are trapped. And I'm ahead.
No, not necessarily. Not if we're smart here. No, if I can get... I'll get...
No, I'm not.
I have me as an idea. No.
What are you doing?
No, you come back here, you. Come back. Oh no, I've evergreened this thing. Oh no. Alright, let's just back this thing up here.
Oh, get your fucking ass out of the way, Deputy Snuffle.
No!
Oh,
I mean,
I'm on a nice clear road. Ah.
it's so fucking
Sorry,
inconvenient.
get off that main road.
You're on the main road.
No, we're not.
Ah.
Oh, there's a little push. Come on.
It's fucking
Nearly
moving.
there. We're
Oh,
still
oh, look.
we're moving. We're moving.
I'll ram
We
you.
are moving.
Oh no!
We are
No.
moving.
This is the end of me. I'm stuck in a ditch.
We are. There we go.
Yes.
Go on without me here.
Oh, okay.
2 minutes left. You still have time. You've got 2 minutes to get there.
Someone pick me up,
What's
please.
stopping there for?
Oh!
Jesus.
Oh, we're being shot at. This is fun.
Yeah, it's
This is
gone.
me. If I'm going down, you're coming down with me.
I just went down the wrong. Found out.
Going the wrong way.
Oh well. That's why we have sus.
I was winning until I crashed into a ditch.
Like a German truck. I think I might take that instead.
Ooh.
An Opel. Very nice. I'm taking that.
In
I
all
don't really
seriousness,
war,
drop
but
supplies before
Hold on.
you hit the point.
and I.
Drop supplies before you hit the point. Drop the supplies!
It's not even real. Never mind. It's just a prop.
Damn Hollywood. Wait, pick me up.
Ah.
I won't shoot, I promise. It's okay, we'll be in a team together.
And off-road.
When one of you boys die, can you come back as an engineer and build the nodes up
What?
there?
Why? Who's shooting me?
I am! You left me!
I'm sorry.
Okay,
For what?
I would have won. I would have won if I didn't crash into a ditch.
Why? I should.
So, Bacon, does that mean you're going to be squad leader in the next game? Yep.
What are we gonna be in the same squad?
Yes.
Yes.
Very good, yes. Very
You're
good, yes.
stuck with us. You're stuck with us. You can't. You don't have a decision.
I don't want to leave. This is the
Oh.
best squad I've ever had. Very fun.
Oh, that's it. You're getting kicked.
EYES.
Unless you brainwash. Very good for 5 as well, though.